Welcome DEKWP, 小工 Abor. Your learning journey starts now. Ever wondered how a tiny protein, just a string of amino acids, folds itself into a complex 3D shape that dictates its life-saving function? Meet AlphaFold, the AI that cracked this puzzle. Forget slow lab work. AlphaFold predicts these structures with astonishing accuracy, almost like magic. But how does it do it? Let's peek under the hood, using a cool framework called DIKWP. Think of it as AI's journey from raw data to meaningful action. So, what's this DIKWP thing? It's like a recipe for understanding AI's thought process. First, data. AlphaFold starts with the protein's amino acid sequence, like reading the ingredients list. Then, information. It finds similar sequences, like checking the pantry for related recipes, spotting patterns. Next, knowledge. This is where the magic happens. AlphaFold learns from millions of known protein structures, building up general rules about how sequences fold, its secret sauce. Wisdom. Using this knowledge, it intelligently predicts the 3D structure, figuring out spatial relationships. Finally, purpose. Its ultimate goal? To get the prediction right, matching nature's design as closely as possible. It's a brilliant climb from simple data to a sophisticated purpose. Now, you might think, aha, AlphaFold is just like AlphaGo, the Go champion? Not quite. Think of AlphaGo as a master strategist playing chess against itself, constantly refining moves based on win or lose feedback. AlphaFold, though, is more like a scientific detective. It doesn't play a game. It solves a fundamental biological mystery. Its brain is different. No fancy search trees here, just pure deep learning. It learns by studying vast amounts of real-world protein data, not by self-play. Its goal isn't just to win, but to achieve the most accurate prediction possible, constantly refining its guesswork internally. It's a shift from game-playing AI to science-solving AI. Okay, let's peek inside AlphaFold's engine. Imagine two main parts. First, the evoformer. Think of it as the superbrain. It takes the initial hints from evolution and residue relationships and churns them through layers of complex calculations, getting smarter and smarter about potential connections. Then comes the structure module. This is where the actual 3D building happens. It uses a clever trick called invariant point attention, IPA, which basically figures out how pieces should fit together in space, respecting geometry. And it does this iteratively, refining its guess each time, like sculpting marble. The result? A precise set of coordinates for every atom, plus a confidence score saying how sure it is. So, what's the big deal? Huge. Before AlphaFold, figuring out protein structures was incredibly slow and expensive. Now, scientists can access predicted structures for almost any protein almost instantly. This accelerates drug discovery, helps us understand diseases by seeing how mutations affect structure, and even aids in designing new proteins. Of course, it's not perfect yet, especially for really flexible bits, but combined with experiments, it's a game changer. AlphaFold isn't just an AI, it's a new tool reshaping how we explore life itself. Pretty amazing, right?